Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The new Kingston branch of Scotiabank Jamaica has been temporarily closed after one of the confirmed COVID-19 patient visited the branch and came in contact with the staff. The branch will remain closed tomorrow as well. TVJ's Andrew Laley reports.
Scotiabank closed its doors at the New Kingston branch today amid fears that the facility had been compromised. Scotia Group President and CEO David Noel explained that the bank is moving quickly to ensure that its customers and staff are protected.
We've asked all staff members who may have come into contact with that person to self-isolate, and other staff members as a precaution as well to stay home for 14 days. That's the staff members at the New Kingston branch.
Mr. Noel says the facility is undergoing professional cleaning, but he admitted that he's not sure when the branch might reopen.
We're trying to arrange testing for all of those employees just to confirm that they do not have COVID-19, and we will reopen the branch only when we believe it's safe to do so in consultation with the Ministry of Health.
Mr. Noel says the bank has employed more attendants to help with cleaning its branches and have implemented other hygienic practices to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
So ever since this issue arose, we've taken steps to increase the number of times the branches are cleaned. We have hired new attendants to ensure that there's additional cleanings happening throughout the day. We are also in the process of implementing hand sanitizer dispensers in each of our branches. There'll be one or two in each branch depending on the size of the branch. And we are also seeing if we can ensure that each night all the surfaces, particular surfaces that customers or staff use periodically, are cleaned at a higher level.
Andrew Laley, TVJ News.
Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL, has announced that it will be triggering its work-from-home plan amidst reports of confirmed COVID-19 cases. CEO Zachary Harding notes that out of an abundance of caution, the company has adapted its business continuity plan to counter concerns relating to the impact of the virus. The investment house is the first financial institution to publicly declare that it will be servicing its customers remotely as of Monday, March 16. Telecommunications company Flow has asked 4 of its employees to work from home after being informed that one of its technicians may have been exposed to patient 0. The technician has since been quarantined for monitoring and testing. Flow says the other 4 workers were asked to self-isolate as a precautionary measure. The company says it's doing everything to ensure uninterrupted service to its client during this unprecedented period to minimize any possible impact. And currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.27, the Canadian dollar $98.67. The pound is going for $173.47, while the euro closed at $154.60. The JSE index declined by 3,813 points today, and the junior market index lost 38 points. Among the winners, Radio Jamaica, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Lasco Financial Services, Fosrich, and Dolphin Cove. On the losing side were iCreate, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Lasco Distributors, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, and Caribbean Cement Company. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.